To do a split payment on Uber in 2025, you will first need to make sure you have the latest version of the Uber app installed on your device. Open the app and start by setting your pickup location and selecting the type of vehicle you would like to request. Once you have requested your ride, you will see the estimated fare and other details of your trip. To split the payment, you will need to tap on the fare estimate, which will bring up a menu with various options. Look for the split fare option, which may be labeled as split fare or an icon representing multiple people. Selecting the split fare option will prompt you to choose the contacts you want to split the fare with. You can select friends from your phone book or enter their phone numbers manually. Make sure the people you are splitting the fare with also have the Uber app installed on their devices. After selecting the contacts, you will need to confirm the split fare. Uber will send a request to the selected contacts, and they will need to accept the request to split the fare. Once everyone has accepted, the fare will be split equally among the participants. It is essential to note that the split fare feature is only available for certain types of rides and in specific locations. Additionally, there may be a small fee associated with splitting the fare, so make sure to check the fare estimate before confirming the split. To avoid any issues with the split payment, make sure that all participants have a valid payment method added to their Uber accounts. It is also a good idea to communicate with the people you are splitting the fare with to ensure everyone is aware of the split fare and has accepted the request. By following these steps, you can easily split the payment for your Uber ride with friends or colleagues, making it a convenient and affordable way to travel. Always check the Uber app for the latest features and updates, and be aware of any specific requirements or restrictions for using the split fare feature in your area.